Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I want to talk to you guys about a few points on the ABC Concept 2 Hydro model. So there's a few things that have come up and a few changes that you're going to see on our website. We recently added an item called a grate, which goes inside the Firebox, and I want to talk about what that is. We've had some people call in who have these stoves who think that the grate is missing because I've showed the inside of the Firebox on the regular Concept 2, which is not a hydro. So I want to explain some of these differences between the regular Concept and the hydro model. So the hydro model, again, it is a boiler system. It does require electricity because it must have a pump circulating the water at all times, okay? So because it is a hydro and because it has the water on the inside, the water tubes are actually going to run through the Firebox. So on the bottom of the Firebox down here, you do have these tubes that go across the bottom of the Firebox. Those are going to be your water tubes. Now the water will fully circulate around the Firebox. Again, a pump system is required. Now this grate can be placed inside the Firebox. You could place it all the way down over the top of the tubes, or there's also a spacing for the grate as well. Now when would you want to use the grate? Seasonally, you would use the grate. So if it is, the end of the season and it's starting to get warm into spring, or you're starting in the fall and you don't quite need that full heat output, then that is a really nice time to slide in that grate, which is going to reduce your BTU output on the stove. Now, another time that you would want to use it is like a summer grate option. And I've talked to you guys a lot about this on other stoves as well. The summer grate would be used if you wanted to cook or bake and not produce as much heat into the room or into the water supply. That's going to build your fire closer to the cooktop, closer to the oven to be able to get that heat transfer. Now, something else I want to talk to you guys about is the handles. The hydro model has this handle. There's been some major confusion on that because I've photographed hydro models and people are comparing them to the regular Concept. The regular Concept model does not offer these handles. We've had a few customers request them, and I do order a few additional parts to keep in stock. However, I want to talk to you guys about why the other model doesn't have them. The hydro model, because it has water circulating through it at all times, it is going to have cooler temperatures off the front of the stove. On the regular Concept 2 model, because of the heat transfer off the front of the stove, if we were to install these handles on there for you guys, they actually get too hot to the touch. Okay, so we're afraid to put handles on the stove so you guys have the look and then have you just come and grab them and burn your hands. So if you wanted to add these handles to your stove, we can sell them additionally for the non-hydro models. However, you will still need some type of oven mitt to be able to do that. Otherwise, it's just going to have a nice clean finish. So I really hope that these videos and explanations are helpful for you guys. If you like the videos, don't forget, give them a quick little thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.